Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 1. I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am your teacher Miss Suba, and today I am going to teach you mathematics. Our today's task is do page number 6 and 7 of school maths workbook. You have to do page number 6 and 7 as a classwork. So all of you please take out your maths workbook. Open page number 6 of your maths workbook. First you have to mention date and day on the top of the page. Today the date is 7/5 and the day is Friday. You also have to write classwork on the top of the page. Okay, let's see what we have to do on this page. You have to read down the caption with me. Count the pictures and write the numbers. Count the pictures. It means you have to first count the pictures and then you have to write down the number in the empty box. आपने पिक्चर्स को काउंट करना है और खाली जगह पे उस नंबर को राइट करना है. Okay, let's do practice with me. Look at the first box. You can see 4 crabs in this box. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 crabs, so we can write number 4 in the box. Now look at the next box. Here are 1 starfish, so we can write number 1 in the box. Now move towards the next box. Count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 fish, so you have to write number 5 in the empty box. Now move towards the next box. Let's count the whales. 1, 2. Here are 2 whales, so we will write number 2 in the empty box. Let's count the sharks. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 sharks, so we can write number 3 in the empty box. Now move towards the next box. Let's count the starfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means we have to write down number 8 in the box. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand that how you have to complete this page. In that way you will complete your page. Do your work neatly and carefully. You can also do colors in these pictures to make your work more beautiful. Now please open page number 7 of your school workbook. You also have to write date and day on this page. Read the caption with me. Count and match with the correct numbers. आपने ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करना है और नेक्स्ट कॉलम में आप देख सकते हैं कि डिफरेंट नंबर्स राइट किए हुए हैं. यू हैव टू मैच द पिक्चर्स with the numbers. Okay, let's do with me. First you have to count these buckets. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 buckets. We have to find out number 3 from the next column. Here is the number 3, so we can match it with number 3. Now count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 flowers, so we have to match it with number 7. In that way you will match the objects with the numbers. Let's count the glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 glasses, so we will match it with number 5. Let's count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 6 ice creams, so we will match it with number 6. Let's count the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 suns, so we will match it with number 4. I hope you understand that how you have to do your work. You have to complete your work like this. You can also do colors on this page. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will definitely enjoy your work. Do your work neatly and carefully. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.